Hey guys, another life, another vlog. So let me show you for today's kaganapan. So guys, busy na jud mig pamayad og bills for preparation sa graduation sa akong mga anak and of course for tomorrow's South Farm tour. Oh, di ba? Pagkatapos namin ihatid sila guys sa school, we are going to the store and buy everything we need for today. Kasi magluluto si husband ko. Hi, bro.
Hey, sis. Hello, bro.
What? Why are you here?
Why are you here?
Good morning. Good morning. Good
You need to go to upstairs, Willis.
I want to go, mommy.
You wanna go, mommy? Good boy. Pahatod ko na siya, guys.
There's a window down here.
Nagmanya si Dodong. Wow.
Mommy, there's a chick.
Hi.
Hi. Let's go. We're just like
There's mom. Gikuan ako siyang gihatod kay hangyo man. Mulakaw naman ta mi. Mami, hatod siya ko to, harbi. Pagkatapos nito guys, ay we are going to buy gas for the tok-tok and buy all the stuff we need like vegetables, fruits, and meat. Kasi magluluto itong asawa ko ngayon. And of course, we are going to Tip Top kasi nga dito namin binibili yung mga kailangan niya para sa sandwich niya. Especially yung mga cheese, yung mga meat na grabe. Gustong-gusto niya talaga guys. Of course guys, hindi naman kami palaging nandito talaga like once in a blue moon so that we can only buy the stuff that my husband needs and of course what he likes and what he loves the most, the meat, the bread, the cheese, and sausages.
Yes.
Mortadella. Thank you. So, itong si ate na nagbabantay guys, na buntis, ay matagal na siya dito kasi when we were here like 3 years ago, nandito na siya. So nung hindi pa siya buntis, ay waitress siya dito. Every time na may mag-order dito na pagkain or drinks, siya yung nag-serve. So, ayun, tinatanong ko siya na, possible question na gustong-gusto niyong malaman. Of course, ang sagot, tinanong ko siya na, buti naman, matagal ka nandito nagtatrabaho, hindi ka nakakita ng AFAM or foreigner boyfriend na, makatutuluyan mo or ganun. Sabi niya, hindi daw kasi most of the foreigners na kakilala lang niya ay masama yung ugali. So, she witnessed everything there because alam nyo, hindi naman lahat foreigner ay maganda yung ugali. May mga foreigner din naman na grabe ka, hambugiro. Alam nyo yun? Yung he's full of himself kasi nga may pera siya tapos kala niya mapaikot niya tanan yung mga babae. Nasa palad lang niya kasi marami siyang pera, ganun. Tapos hindi ka na nirerespeto. Tapos walang pakialam kung mawala ka sa buhay niya kasi nga marami namang babae dyan, bahala ka dyan, ganun. So yun, kung nakakita na kayo ng mabait na foreigner, ingatan nyo, mahalin nyo. Kasi yung ibang babae dyan or lalaki, nakahanap na sila ng matino, iiwan pa din. Kasi naghahanap pa sila ng iba. Kasi nga, mabait siya pero ang boring naman niya. Ganun. Hey guys, muad to me dito sa poblasyon kay magpa-haircut may aning duha because the graduation is coming so we need to clean them up. Kay mas nindot man jud sila tanawon guys nga inig-adto nila recognition o graduation ni Willis nga limpyo jud sila kayo tanawon, di ba? So daghan na tingala guys kung anong nag-eskwela pa kuno akong anak nga human ako og graduation. Lahi-lahi man gud guys kay og nahuman na mo aga mo wala pa. Pero anyway, naa nami guys, ani mi tag-anihan magpa-haircut. Yes. We're back. Ano ka, huy? Pastilan dulur. Ay, Wallace, asa man ka pa dong now? So every time when we're here, this kuya always doing the haircut for Edward and the other one also. But every time they are doing haircut for them, they can't stay still. We are always arguing. I said, stay still, stop doing this, you will hurt yourself. And this kuya will say, stop, please. Ma'am, is this English speaking or Visaya? And they'll keep asking me. And as I told them that sometimes when we are arguing in the house, you know, mother and son, they don't really understand when I speak Bisaya. But when I talk to them in English, that's the time that they understand. So it means they don't really know how to speak Bisaya. Or I don't know. Because sometimes we Filipino, we can understand a little bit of English, but we don't know how to say it. Or let's just say we don't know how to speak. That's what I'm trying to say. And that's it for how many minutes that they can't stay still. At last, we're done. And right now, we're going to our tok-tok. At first, I don't really know why my husband named this tricycle a tok-tok, which is it called here bao-bao. But when I search it, okay, it's tok-tok. That's why. Because there was a time that my friend went to Oman and sent me pictures of this kind of bao-bao thing. And it said tok-tok. Ay, that's why. And that's how I figured it out. And by the way, when we are about to ride our tuk-tuk to go back home, this Willis is asking for ice cream, right? And that's the reason why he's very excited to come in here and to have haircut because he will want something in return. And that's why he's happy to be here. And of course, very excited.
You didn't open it.
No, later, there.
Oh, then make it home.
You like that? Haircut and ice cream?
Yeah.
That's what you want. My favorite haircut. Look at that. You happy? But anyway, as long as they are happy, we can't just take it away from them. You know, their happiness. So, if they're happy, so why not? You know, just let it be. And it is the price that they deserve. Because they are a good boy and they're doing their best in school. They're being a good boy in school. But yes, they are pain in the ass sometimes, but it's part of the childhood, you know. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nag-i-English ako dito, Charis. Kasi it's more easier than speaking Tagalog, which I'm not fluent also, and especially in the way it will delivered, Charis, yawi, kulingi. So, hindi ko talaga alam guys. You know, nahihirapan ako sa kalisod because I speak here Bisaya, English, Tagalog. As long as you understand it, it's okay. And yes, and that's it. We're home and we're having a great time with our animals. This tiger boy with his best friend, Human. If ever you love this video and you want to watch our videos in the future, don't forget to click the subscribe. And of course, please like and share. Thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone. See you in my next vlog, guys. Don't forget.